Now I will show you how to fill up the water tank. So remove the funnel. It is not necessary to remove it, but it will be easier, and unfortunately I have to work with one hand. So remove the nylon screw, and I have this little syringe. Put the tube into the hole and just simply fill it up. Whenever it's filled up, there is a small hole there, so it is full by now. If there is extra water in it, there is a tiny hole here. The water won't come through it, but if the pressure is far too large inside the box or the water tank, the extra water is able to come through there. But as you can see, there is no anything through there now. So it is so simple to fill it up. Unfortunately, there is no chance to measure the water inside the water tank, and to tell the truth, it is not necessary. Why? Because when the amount of the smoke has been reduced, you will recognize that it's run out from water. But to tell you the truth, I ran this unit for more than an hour, 90 minutes, and it was still running. So after 90 minutes I just switched it off, and it still has some water in it. So it is very, very efficient. It is using a small amount of current and small amount of water. One more important thing. This small unit is creating cold mist or cold smoke. So, and it has no fan which is pushing the air through the funnel. And that's why it is able to condensate onto the side of the funnel, internal side or internal wall of the funnel, and the water drop is able to go down and drop onto the membrane, because there is a membrane there. And that is able to stop the working of the smoker unit for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or even longer. That's why I created this small and designed this small funnel holder, which is able to remove the water from the membrane. So please do not surprise whenever you see some water drops here or extra water here. Not a lot, just very, very tiny amount, because that is part of the normal working. If you worry about water or water drops inside your boat, please put a small tray underneath the unit. Do not worry about the control box, because the control box is closed from the bottom, so water can't get inside. After approximately half an hour of running, you can see there is an extra bit of water here. So this is the water drop which came from the funnel. So this is an extra protection. So let's see how to remove the water from the water tank. So remove the nylon screw. It takes a bit of time. Please be aware, this is nylon screw, so plastic on plastic, so the screws are not, and the threads are not really strong, and this can cause problems if you kill the threads. So let's connect up the, but yes, let's connect this up, and let's see how this is working. So you just have to remove the water like this, and that's enough. After this, you just have to put the nylon screw back, and everybody is happy. Or if you would like, you can leave it open, and in this case the water tank will have a chance to dry out.